Yesterday we explained what we have here. We talk about leads, talk about deals, talk about projects, talk about campaigns. And I said that today we're going to create a campaign, and I even told us to fill a form so that we can use the form to actually run our campaign tonight. That kind of thing. Then we talk about activities, which is where we are going to plan how we are going to meet up with people, our appointment, and all of that, right? Then we talk about the contacts, which I said is all of you that are filling the form now. Your leads are simply your contacts, right? So that kind of thing. Today, now we don't want to waste much time. We'll just go straight to the point and start with what we have already done leads here. We talked about leads yesterday, and then we even differentiate between leads, prospects, and customers. And we say that leads is what these are just your prospective customers, while your prospects are people that you've actually qualified that they are that they can actually do what now, that they need your product and they are able to what to to afford it, that kind of thing. Then your customers are leads or prospects who have started buying from you, that kind stuff. So now, mind you also that some people, somebody can actually, grow from being a lead to an instant customer. Don't forget that. Someone can be from a lead into a what? A buying or paying customer. So let us not forget that part too. Now, today, we're not going to do much today. Oh. We have already done most of what we are supposed to do here today. So I'll just simply go now and show you how to what? Create a lead. You see this lead here? Okay. Just like we were able to create contacts on our HubSpot, we can simply do the same thing here as well. Okay. You see where they say lead here? If you want to create a lead on your what you call on Pipedrive, what do? You need to press what? You need to click on this lead here. See, it says plus. Anywhere you see plus means that what? That it means what? To add. Okay. You know that when we are on our Google Drive, we talk about the plus and new. Ehen. So you either going to see new, or you see plus, or you see what? The plus and what? New. So for me now, if I want to create a lead, what will I do? I will click on this thing here, this plus lead here, and then I have to what now? Enter the what? The lead details. So maybe the person's name is what? Is let us say the person's name is what? Is Pamela. Pamela what? Anyaoku. Pamela Anyaoku. Okay. Then let us say that her company is what? Her company is what? Is Okwadioku Limited. Okay. Okwadioku what? Limited. That is her company name, right? This is her. You see now. This is her what? Her title now in our system here. She's now a what? She's now a lead here. Now this deal now. Okay, we have to talk about okay this person now. How much deal are we having with this person? Maybe say na real estate you wan do. Him talk about say maybe you want to buy that your property, at Abuja. Then you say that the property is worth maybe say 15 million. So that means that the word now that the deal here is going to be what now? 15 what? 15 million, right? Now, you see now we have labels here, which is now we could what now? Hot or warm lead or cold, cold lead. Now I want you guys to go and understand the difference between hot, cold, and what? Warm lead. So while trying to find out the difference between hot, cold, and warm leads now, we use ChatGPT and the saying that what now? That your hot leads are what? Sorry, your cold leads are what? They are simply people that have never heard about you before. They have never heard about your business or your brand or your services before, right? That kind of thing. For instance, you are living in Aja now, and maybe you don't even know that there's something they call maybe Tinker Basin or Tinker Pan, or you don't even know that there's a what? You know that there's a BBL, outlet within your neighborhood. To that business now. You are simply what? A cold lead. Okay. So you see now they say what that they aren't thinking about buying what you are selling right now. Okay. So that means that what now that they don't know what you sell. They don't even have interest in what you sell. They don't even know whether they sell anything, and they don't even care to know. Okay, but they are leads because they are what? They are simply potential buyers, okay, or subscribers, right? Then we have what? Warm leads. The same warm leads are what? Say these are people that know a little about you or your product or your what? Or you have shown some interest. Like some of you now. So some of you now, you are in fact you actually know that that they call something what? That they call something Netflix. But this Netflix now, see it exists. So what? You said no even they know. You say how did they do and sef? You know about them, but you never really use them before. That kind of thing. Ehen. So that means now that if you hear somebody now, that came to talk about this on Netflix now, you'll be excited and you want to listen for more, right? And when you now learn that you'll say okay, it actually costs like maybe 1,000 to like to like enter Netflix. What will you do? You say, I bet put me. I want to belong to this Netflix. This now. I hear them before, but I never do one. Help me put that inside, Abby. That kind of thing. That is for what, for your warm leads, right? So when you go about adults and and then maybe you are talking about, maybe let's say maybe you talk about something like maybe Brazilian hair, bone straight now, right? Adult ladies now, it will not sound strange because they are hearing about it, but maybe they never really come so close to it now. So they are simply what warm or what interested people that might likely what buy bone straight if they have the means, right? That kind of thing. Then we have your hot leads now. It says our hot leads are what now? Say there are people that they already want what we are selling and are ready to what to buy. For instance now, you carry your rice, well, for wheelbarrow, go stand for one hot plaza, one afternoon wey say people don dey hustle since morning, some never even chop morning food sef. Because you are going there now, you already have a lot of what? A lot of hot leads because everybody don dey already hungry before dem dey wait for you. Maybe you dey sell better food for there or your food is very very cheap, right? So as soon as you see for the gate now, they will start, madam rice abeg come now, you no quick come today, wetin happen? They will start buying, abeg put me pomo 2.5, or put pomo 15 naira, put plantain 10 naira, put rice 100, that kind of thing. You already selling because what now? They already know that in fact they already know who you are. They have just been they have been waiting for you because you have what they need, right? That kind of thing. So that is how to what now, how to differentiate what between the cold and what and warm leads. In other words, this person now, this Pamela Anyoko now, if you have told her about the business, okay, and then she knows what you are selling and all of that, what will she be now? She's going to be a what now? A warm lead. But if she's someone that that was just maybe that she just met maybe through an event, maybe she just said okay, this is an event maybe for real estate people, abi, so she not really know much about you or what you do. So she's going to be a what now? She'll be a what? A cold lead. But because you are saying that you people have already had a lead now, you people have already had a deal. You are trying to like offer them a what? A deal. What will she be? She said, she's going to be a what now? She's going to be a hot lead. I think she'll be a hot lead, yeah. So you start as what now? As a hot lead, right? Then here now is what? Who brought this person into the business? You can select the person's what here. Like which of this company staff now? So now real estate company now. So which agents bring this Madam Anyoku? Okay, that is what you do. What now? You select when you come to this what to this owner here, right? Then we have what expected date of what closing the deal. This one simply means that okay, now when you are sending her this now, when are you expecting her to what to buy this thing? You can say okay, let us give her 1 week, abi, put it on 1 week here. Then the search channel here means what now? How did you get this person? Like how did you get to meet this person? You can see that we have web form, we have prospector, we have what? We have live chat, we have campaigns, marketplace, and what? Messaging inbox, right? So these are all various means now through which this person could have what? Could have come to talk to you about what? About needing a real estate property, right? Like yesterday, now, I think I gave a form yesterday. So if maybe say she filled that form yesterday, what will I do? I'll simply say, okay, she filled the form, right? Then I select her from what says, okay, the source of channel is what? Is web form, right? Now when you're done, what do you do next? Now, you can simply come and do what now? Put her number here, put in her phone number and what her email address, and then you are bored now. It's okay, save, right? Let me put her email now. What about the email address? I just put okay, maybe her name. Say the email is what? Is her name at what? Her name, that kind of thing, .com, right? Yeah, that kind of stuff. So you can just say .com, right? That kind of thing. So you see now that we have done what now? We have actually done what now? Impute all these person's what? All these person's details now. So this is now a what? A deal now. Or this is now a what? A lead. We now do what now? Close by what? Clicking on save. You see save here? Click on save now. The person now becomes a what? A lead. Can you see that we now have here as what? As Okpadioko Limited. This is what? That is a what? That's a hot lead. Can you see it now? Now, how did you create this? Say we did what now? It's what? Manually was created here. Can you see it now? Now, because of here, you people are coming here through the form yesterday. See that it shows what? Web form, right? Now, when I put a chat widget now or chatbot on a on a website now, okay, you'll be seeing that one now will be showing what? It will be showing that you are what? That you came through what? Maybe chatbot or live chat. It will be showing that. All right. So this is just how you can actually do what now? Create a lead on Pipedrive. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is what now? To talk about the live chat. Let's talk about the live chat. Of course, we should know what live chat is used for now. No, I mean, no, nobody na picking, nobody be picking for here, right? So this live chat now, you can do what now? You can actually do what now? You can configure it and put it on your what on your website. This one helps you do what now? To attend to your customer to their question in real time, right? You got to tell them in what in real time. Okay, sometimes there might be somebody at the what at the back end doing what now, handling the what the chat. Okay, that is what I said yesterday. I said that we have live chat and we have what chatbot, and I said that one is what going to provide what real time support. Why one is going to be what now? Why one it will provide what it will provide what pre-programmed what support to your customer. Okay, like when we're doing our fresh desk, that we created a knowledge base, right? Where we talk about content about the product and whatever. So you can actually use your chatbot now to tailor support in line with whatever you have on your on your knowledge base, so that maybe customer is asking for how to create an account, right? So on your chatbot, and then now on your knowledge base now you already have a content about what how to create an account. So what do we do now? Just push that one to them. So the chatbot will now will now push that one that talk about how to create an account with to the what to the customer. So the customer no longer need to be chatting you and be disturbing you. They'll go and do what now? Read how to create the account. When they follow the instruction, they can what create their own account successfully, right? So now next one is the what now? Let us see how can actually convert what. Let us see how can actually configure our what our live chat. You see where they say configure live chat here? Click on it now. This is now where we're going to do what now? Build our what our live chat. Now you can see that we actually have our what we can actually start designing what how our chatbot will look like. You can see that here now we have what it says start picking your what your bot color. Now this part here is where you're going to what now where you're going to be acting. This part here is what where you're going to see the output of what you are making changes on here. So as you click on this color now, it will be changing here. Just watch now. You see when I click on this green now, Abi, look at green. You see setting don't change to green now, Abi. If I click on this black now, see what will happen. You see say don't change to black. What if I click on this yellow and red? You see it now? The header is now what red, while the chat body is what is actually what yellow. Then what about this one here? See setting don't change, Abi. That kind of thing. So, but for us now, we are going to work with what now? With black. See black now? Work with black. Now we are not done. When you finish selecting on the color, now what do you do next? Now select on what? Click on what? You see where they say continue here? Click on it now. You see it now? It's saying what? It's saying give your bot personality, blah blah blah. You say we are calling it what? Peep. But me, I don't want to call my own Peep. I'll call it what? I can call it something else. I can call it what? I can call it let me call it Angela. Yeah, that kind of thing. You see now we call it what? Angela. Now you see the language here. So if the language of the company is Xinhuan, China, do what now? Select it from this list here. But of course we are Nigerians and so our language is what? English. I think I can change it to what to UK English, right? So I'll do what now? That's okay. Let me do what now? Let me save now. Now please notice now that I'm giving it what now? See, I'm giving it what now? I'm giving it a name as what? As Angela, right? When we install it on the site now, it will be showing what? Angela as well. So I'll do what now? Let me click on what? Continue. Now, it is now asking us now that what template are we going to have on our chatbots? You see that Pipedrive give us what now? Pipedrive give us what? Access to what? To four different kind of templates here, right? So if you want to be getting more leads, right? There's a chatbot for you that has been tailored to help you and what get more leads. If you want people to actually book more meeting with you, now there's actually a chatbot for what for that. You can see that we have book more meetings here, right? That is what that one will solve for you. And if you need a chatbot for what now to qualify and route leads, you still have one here. Can you see it now? There we still have another one for what now? Say chat with your with your leads. Consider we have one here, Abby. So depending on what you want now, you can do what now? Just simply click on anyone here and do what now, and you are good to go. So maybe if I want to get my lead now, I can select on this one here, because this one contains what? It contains it contains some what now? Some pre-programmed what questions that can help you to what now? To know whether that person is qualified to buy from you or buy your service or not. That is why they call it what? Get more leads, right? So I will click on what now? Click on that now. Then I will click on what? Create playbook. You see where they say create playbook here? Click it now. Now it will not take you to where you are going. To do what now? Where you're not going to what? To modify your bot the way you want it to look like. Like the kind of question it will ask your customers and all of that, you'll be able to select it from here now, right? Ah, you know, create again. What's happen? I think I've passed here. Is our what now? You see that this one now is our what? This is now our what? Our live chat. Now you see our, you see this our chatbot. Now you see the way it look like. This is our what? This is our chatbot. You see the way it look like. So this is just a diagram of what? Of what our what chat will be like. You can see that we have, you have three things here now. We have what? We have I'm looking to buy, right? If you're looking to buy, to ask you what some series of question like that's a great to hear, or maybe that's great to hear. Could I have your name? If you give a name, it will carry you to say what? Thank you. They will now ask you what is your company name, Abi? You can see that here. Then when you now put the company name, it will now ask you to what now to provide your what? Your personal email, right? It ask you to what now to provide your email address. And it will tell you that what now that the essence of the email is what? To enable the team to what now? To contact you later on or after a while, right? Now, when you provide all these details now, it will tell you that what now that you are what that you are qualified. You see where it says what? It says lead status have been qualified because you give it what that it needs. Now next is to do what now is to what is to save your what to save your contact in there. Now what if you did not say you want to buy? Maybe you say okay, I just want to like explore the what the tool. Maybe you not say okay. You see now as much as you say that you are what as much as you say you want to do, you know as much as you say that you want to just what now you just want to like browse the what the tool. What happen is what now? It's not that you are what that you are not what you are not qualified as a what as a customer. You see now that is what it will do here. You see now you say what closing message. Cool. I'm here if you need any help, right? But can you see that it's already marked you as disqualified there? That is it. What if you say I like some help? You see it now. It will say that what now that you are not a what you're not a qualified what lead. So it will just tell you what now that okay you can actually do what now support or message our support team on what on support at what company name, right? That kind of thing. So this is just the architecture of what the chatbot will look like. You can even modify it as you like. Now how can you modify it now? Okay, you can see that here now we have what our greeting message abi. So I can say okay maybe I can say okay let me change it to what now. Say okay, say bros welcome to our what. Let me say bros. Okay, bros, or let me say dear customer, dear customer, you are what you are welcome to what to our what our website, right? That kind of thing. Now you see now this one now means what now that how long should the person be on the site before you start sending them this message. You can say what immediately or what after 5 seconds. So I will say what immediately, yeah, but for you now you can actually choose to put in 5 seconds or 10 seconds, right? I'll make the person still breathe small. So I do what now? I'll just put 5 seconds. And I'll do what? You see where they say save here? I will save it now. Now, you see here now it say question that the bot now will now ask you what? It will now ask you a question, say, wetin carry you come our site today? You see now, it will say what? What brought you to what? To our website, right? You can I can even say, okay, please say, let me just say abeg o, wetin carry you come today? Wetin carry you come our caban today? That's a question, abi. So maybe you cannot say I'm looking to buy, or you can even say okay let me change it to what now to I want to buy. It's okay, I want to what to buy, right? And that kind of thing now. So here now can be what it's okay maybe you want to say okay maybe now you're not here to buy. What will you can say? Okay, let me say I just want to tour around, abi, that kind of thing. The here can be what now say okay I need what? I need support. That kind of thing, right? To show that what see, I can even see add more option here. Let me even add more option. Now, so, okay. I need a what? I need a girlfriend, right? That kind of thing. Or let me just say I need a what? I need a ride, right? That kind of thing. So I do what now? I can now what? Save it now. You see it now? I now have what? An enhanced what? A further enhanced what? Next level. Can you see that I now have you see all these branches here now, Abi? So if I now put that I want now that maybe say I click on I want to buy, this is my messages. If I click on I just want to tour around, this is what I will get. If I say okay I need support, it will stop here, right? Then if I said I need a ride, it will stop here. I can even see add more things here. Okay, I can so simply what I can add more things. I can just click here to what now? To add more things. Can you see now? I can simply add more things here. Say okay, you want to tour around. I can say okay. Let me see. You see the message now. I can say okay. No wahala. Say okay, no what? No wahala. You can now what? You can now zoom away, Abby. Or let me just say you can what? You can you can what? You can explore our what? You can explore our what? Our brilliantly what? Brilliantly designed what? Designed what? Ecosystem at what? No cost, right? That kind of thing. So let me see what. Let me change this one to what to the correct word. You see now. Now, when should it wait? After this person don't respond to this place now, maybe after you don't click say you want to tour around, how long should it wait to reply you with this my message now? You see the time here. Change it to what now? Maybe to 1 minute or whatever. But I think I should make it lesser, right? It should be lesser than this so that we can actually have it what quick, that kind of thing, right? Huh. You see now I cannot do what I cannot say okay let me do what let me now save because this person now is what is simply not a what is not our you know it's not our what our kind of customer, right? So but then because of say the person now is about to what to explore our platform, you can still do what now we can still say okay make you give us the email address abi that kind of thing. Tell us say please leave us your email and we'll contact you soon, that kind of thing abi. Or I can even just I can even just maybe say change it now. Let me just say okay I want to change it to what now to something else. I'll say okay let me say I want to remove this. Can remove this one now. See it now. So I only have what this small message here, right? That kind of thing. Now, consider we still have another one say what say we need support. This one now does not require us to what now to go anything further. We can just what stop it here, right? That kind of thing. So this is now our what now our chatbot. How can we now make it to go live? You see where they say save here? Can you see save here? You can click on what? You can click on save. But before you click on save, you see where they say profile and team here? Click on this. Of course, you have already done this one before now, right? Can you see where we have installation here? Go here now. And here now you can now select what how you want to what install this thing now. So for me now, I will install it on a what now? On a website. I think I have to go to my website and then try to install it there. Let me go and open my website. I will go here. We'll go to WAPREU. This is my website. Please don't come and be asking me how were you able to do it. Now some of you are fond of asking me, say you are trying to go to that website, but you could not go. How can you get access to the website? Now my own will not be you get them, okay? Now me get it. Because don't come and be asking me again. Now me get them. So I will come here now and do what now? You see where they say appearance here. You see where they say widgets here. I will click on widgets. This is actually a WordPress, guys, so it's nothing difficult. I can still put this inside the normal full stack site, okay? So let me go back to my bot now. This is my bot now, Abi. Now I want to install it. What will I do? It's where they say manual installation, Abi. Click here on this small triangle here to get the code. You say copy the code, Abi. This is just the small instruction here. Then do what now? Paste the code just before the end of the header section, Abi. You see where they click. You see where they say copy to clipboard here. Click it now. Okay, you see that I've copied the code, Abi. Then I can now go back to my word now to my website now, which is here. Then I'll click on this place here to add my words, my custom HTML, and I'll just paste it there. I'll paste. Now do what now? You can do what now? You can just okay, update now. Now, if I go to the website now and I view my site, what will I see? The bot will be there waiting for me to interact with it. See, I'm here now. Let us see if it will come up. Will it come up? It has to come up, yeah? Can you see the bot here? This is the bot. I'll do what now? Click here now. Oh, that was not the bot. So sorry, guys. So of course I must be here for what? For some seconds, I'll be for it to come up, right? Let me even open this page. Let's see. It has to come up this time around. Where is it now? Where's our bot? Okay, I can see the bot now. Can you see the bot now? It just came up now. Can you see it now? This here is what? Is the bot. You see now, it is called what? Angela. Can you see the name is Angela? You see where we are not saying that what? You see where we are not saying, okay, what brought you to our website today? You say, okay, I'm looking to buy. I'm just browsing. I like some help, right? That kind of thing. You see it now, but I think something did not save here. Something did not save. So let me just say, okay, save. Since I don't save, I'm now, Abby. Let me now go back to that site again and then refresh. I'll refresh here now. Okay. You see that thing, you see something don't change now, Abby? It says I want to buy. I just want to tour around. I need support. I need a what? A ride, Abby, that kind of thing. So if you say you want to tour around, now see what will happen now. Let me click on it now. See what will happen. It will say what? See now. It's okay, we are sorry, but no one is available right now. You see that kind of thing, Abi? You see it now? Okay. Let me still go and say what restart our conversation, Abi. Let me go, let me just do here now. Let's see. Say, dear customer, you're welcome to our website. I beg you, waiting carry you come on our site today. I'll say what I want to buy. Let's see what it will happen. I mean, what it will say now. Let us see. You see now, I said that's great to hear. Can I have your name? I'll say what name is what? Dr. What? Dr. Tanwa, right? Now I'll click on what now? Send. You see now it will take my name, right? You say thank you. Now what's your company name? I'll say what? I'll say Otanwa what? Otanwa what? PLC, right? And I will click on what? Send here. You see that thing is in fact, are you seeing that I'm not the one responding to it now? It's just working on its own. You say, can I have your email address so that a member of our team can actually reach out to you later on? I'll say, yes, this is my email address. I'll say, okay, otanwa at what? At what? 1t1.what.com, right? That kind of thing. They do what now? Send, right? Just as if you're chatting with somebody. You see now, you say what? You say, okay, okay, thank you. Once our, see one of our sales representative what now will be in touch as soon as what as they can. If you have any, if you have any, maybe if you have any further questions, do what now? Contact us at what? At this your dummy email here, right? So that is just our bot now in what? In action. You see that? You see something now don't sweet, between sweet. Can you see that thing is actually sweet? Very, very sweet. So I don't know if anybody has any question here before I continue. Please, if you have any question, feel free to actually ask me. I will answer you, okay? So anyone with a question here? Somebody said today class is tug of war. As how? Achimole, what's the issue that you're having? Obochineye, you're always having this. Oh no, Obonye, you're always having. You're always having this network issue. So sorry about this, but I think my network is actually very, very okay. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Please, what is the topic for today? I'm just coming. Jacinta, we are doing the remaining part of our pipe drive. Okay. Yes, Chinwendo Anyanwu, what's your question? You can now speak. Chinwendo Anyanwu, your hand is up. What is your question, please? Yeah, good evening. You go and start with, okay, you go buy domain name, you go buy hosting. Don't worry, I will teach you how to get it here. Just pay attention, okay? Once una hear money, once una hear money, una go begin shout. Okay, yes, Jennifer Onyema, what's your question, please? Jennifer Onyema, what's your question? Okay, oh, Kelechi Ijoma, what's your question? Kelechi Ijoma, what's your question, please? Yeah, good evening. Ah, even now, say your network is still not good enough. I mean, your voice is still breaking from here. So, okay, okay, no problem. I'll be here later. Later, no time. Later, later. Chiwando Prince Will, what's your question? Jennifer, please wait. Even when I called you, you not say anything. So allow us to talk, please. Chiwando Prince Will, please. What do you have to say? Chiwanyam the Prince will. Okay, oh, no problem. Who will not say? Yes, Moses, what's your question? It will just tell you that, okay, it will just give you that, see it now. It will simply just give you that small email there. Or if you say, okay, maybe like you did not actually put click on maybe on the option that is there, it will see react. Look at what it will say now. It will tell you that word that that you could not understand your words, your question. Now watch now. You see now, Abby? Now you see say there's no option for you to even type here. Can you see that there's no option for you to type? So you must press one. If you don't feel press, what would you do now? Just quickly just close it and then go away. Can you see now? But somehow, I think the one on MTN website can actually allow you to type. But when you not type what it is not programmed to what to do now, to tell you that what now that it cannot understand what you are trying to say, that you should paraphrase or select any of the options in the what in the box. That's what it will say to you. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, oh, that's good though. Yeah, another person with a question again. Yeah, that's very good. Is it my fault? Uh-huh. Thank you very much for clarifying. I can hear you very well. Of course, you are a business website, right? So sorry, you are a business, so you surely have a website somehow. Even if you don't have a website, I believe that you have a place where you're actually going to what, where you're actually going to maybe canvas. Maybe it's okay. You go maybe go and tell Equi that Equi, please, since you're an influencer, please, I want to market my product. How much will you charge me to, you know, to allow me to come and be on your, on your webinar? So maybe Equi will not say, okay, you're going to pay me maybe 1 million or maybe 10 million. She will now add it to her what now? To her webinar. Now when you now go to the webinar, now what do? You can now paste your what your form link there for people that are interested in what you are trying to teach. When they now see the link, now they will go and do what? Now they will go and fill the form and you get your what your leads. Do you get? So those people now that are coming there now, some of them are going to actually be able to what to afford your what your mentorship. Some of them cannot afford their mentorship. That is just how it works. But if you have a website, right, for your business, you do what now? Look at it now. Now I have a website now. This is my website here. So I can just go and do what now? I can go to the post section now and do what now? And create a post, maybe for an event, right? I'll say what? I'll say, okay, Otama what? Or let me even put it as a page. Let me just put it as a page here. It say leave here. Let me put it as a page. I will click on what? I'll click on what? Add a page and I'll call it what? Say Otama what? Otama Power Packed what? Power Packed what? Seminar, right? Then I'll come and talk about the seminar here. Say learn what? Learn how to what? How to automate your wife. How to what? How to what? How to tell what? Tell the president to send you money. Right? That kind of thing. Okay. So what? To learn this, okay, at a maybe 50% discount, 50% discount. Okay. Okay. Quickly what? Quickly click here now. Click here now. So where you now say click here, we do what now? Highlight this on. You see now? Highlight on and do what now? You see where they put this link here? Then you now paste your form link there. That is just how this thing works, okay? You can just simply paste your form link there. Let me go to my form. See, this is my web form here. Okay, I have this form. I'll click on share to get the link now. You see the link there, Abi? This is it, okay? This actually is the link here. This is the link here, Abi. I'll copy this link now and do what now? And go and paste it there. I'll paste it here now and I'll do what now? Click on enter. I can even make it bold. I think we did this one when we did on our Apollo and all of that. We did this now when we did our Apollo, right? We did it. I mean, no day class that day. So here now we are done. Abi. I'll do what now? Let me now what? Let me now publish now. Okay. Since I don't publish on now, now if I copy this link now and I share, maybe you maybe like you came to my business website now, maybe through SEO, you search for my, maybe you search for lip, or you maybe you maybe say you maybe like you search for what, for lip enlargement, what for lip enlargement, what enlargement cream now, right? And then you now came on my site. Okay, when you now finish reading now, you now do what now? You now click on the what, on the link, then you now what, fill it up, giving me your name and all of that. So when I now view it now, what will I do? I'll be seeing you on my system as what, as my lead. This is just it here. Can you see that this is the link here? If I click here now, say quickly, you see that the form is not going to be open here. Can you see the form here? This is just the form. When you fill it now, I should be able to get your details on my what, on my CRM. Do you get? Now if you wanted to build a site for yourself, maybe just to practicalize this on your own. Okay, let me show you how to do it now. If you want to build a site for yourself, okay, if you want to, yeah, what's happen? So, if you want to build a small site for yourself, for you to be able to practice all this embedding of all these things on your site, what do you do now? Go to your what? Go to your what? Your blogger.com. I think I will share the link in there too. I will share the link for you guys in the meeting. Let me share it. Just go there and do what, you can actually build a small site there for your what, for yourself. Just go to what, https column, then blogger.com. This is not outside. In fact, this one is outside your scope, please. But I will still teach you now. So you see that I'm here now, Abi. So I want to know, about, I think I'll be having blogs. Yes, I'll do what now? If you are here, to ask you to what now? To enter your words. See where they say title here? I'll call it what? I'll call it what? Otama words, Agotoku. Right? That kind of thing. I'll do what now? Click on next here. You see where they say I should put address here? Put what? Put Agotoku 1. See it now. So it will tell you that what is just, you see that it's saying what, that this blog address is what is available. Once you see that now, what do you do now? Click on what, save. Okay. Then next is to do what now? Just click on save. I think it will not take some time. Now you see it now. We now have our what? Our site is now ready now. So this is simply our what now? Our site. If I click here now to view the site, you should be able to what? I should be able to view it here. But this one is not opening. What will happen? Haba. Okay. So I'll do what now? Click on what? Next here. Then display name will not be what now? Be what? Be Otama what? Otama blog. That kind of thing. I do what now? Click on finish here. Okay. Now when you finish now, it will bring you here to this what? To this part here. Now if you check on this place now, you'll be seeing your what? Your site. See where they say view blog here? Click here. Your site should be what? See that your site is now what? Your site is now active here. Can you see it now? It's now active here. So to paste my widget now, okay, or my chatbot, what will I do? I should come to this, it's where they say layout here. Click on the layout here, and it will bring you to this part here. Then you click on what now? Click on what? Add a gadget. Some of you, the problem that you're going to have is that what? That some of you not they watch video to the end. That is your problem. If you don't watch it, don't come to my game and start asking me a question, please. Click on this what? Add a gadget here, and it will bring you to this small, dialog here. What do you do now? You see where they say HTML slash JavaScript here? Click it. Now you see that you see they put title here and then they put content here. You click on this content here and you do what now? Paste what you copied from the what? From this your chatbot. See where they have chatbot here? Let me go back and open it and then get the code there. Let me get it now. See installation. You see it here. They click on this now and then do, you see where they say manual installation, and then you click on this and then copy the link. Copy it now. Then come back here and do what now? Paste it here. See the code now, Abi? Then do what? Click on save now. So if I refresh this my blog now, that thing will come up after 5 seconds, right? Look at it now. It should be at the bottom. It will always be at the bottom. Can you see it here? It has come. Can you see our Angela here? This is Angela's face. Can you see it now? I will say what I want to buy. To tell me okay. Just watch now. See now, you say that's great, blah blah blah. Can you see now? It will ask me for my name and all of that. So that means that what now, that the bot is what? Actually active. Now, if I actually put my name here and then my email address here, it will go to my chat, it will go to my what? To my lead page and then add me as what? As a lead. So that is what this chatbot can actually do for you. It can help you to what? To generate your form. Do you get now? Is it clear?